Hello guys, it is almost Christmas as I record this. I wanted to get this video out quickly because this week y'all know there's lots to do. But I got my Grove Collaborative. It says, enjoy the season, Monica, on it. And I didn't record my last box because my last box was mostly repeats. But I did get one item I wanted to share with you from that box. So let me finish opening this box. And we'll see what's in here. I honestly don't remember everything I ordered. There's also a lot of repeats in here, I know. But I think there might be some new things. Okay. For those of you that don't know, Grove Collaborative is a place to get personal supplies and cleaning products that are all natural. They're trying to go completely plastic free by 2024. They're not there yet, but they're working on it. So I think that's pretty awesome. You can get organic things there as well. I purchase mostly household supplies. They do have a personal care and makeup line, all sorts of items. I'll have a link below. Their shipping is a flat $4.99 per box, unless you're a VIP member, which I am. I pay $19.99 a year to get free shipping on all my boxes. Plus, if you're a VIP member, you get a whole bunch of extra free stuff during the year they put in your box. So for me, it's worth it because I use it almost every month. I get this. So that's well worth it for me. But it doesn't cost anything to join. If you want to join and just pay for your shipping when you get your items, that's great. I especially like this because I run out of things like paper towels, and I have this set to come every month. You can change it, you can change the schedule, you can make it only on demand. I have it set to come every month, and I have certain standard things to come each time, and then I'll add or take out things depending on my needs. You can always edit your order. Okay, more information, you're curious, click the link below. And if you sign up through that link and have a minimum order of, I think, $30, you get a gift set. It's usually a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's gift set, but they may change it seasonally, so click the link and find out. You don't sign up when you click the link. That's just a link that takes you to their site, and from there you can choose to sign up or not. Okay, let's get into this box. Those of you that get Grove know they stop using plastic packing material, so this goes in the recycle bin, unless my grandchildren are visiting, and then it will be painted or drawn on. Here we go. This is a repeat, the first item. Paper towels that are not wrapped in plastic. This is a very light cardboard box. And these are their Seedling paper towels, which are made from bamboo and sugarcane, which is very renewable. If you've ever had a bamboo issue in your yard, you know that's extremely renewable. It grows fast and it grows all over the place. The paper towel roll is not large, but these are sufficient for me, my husband, and myself, and sometimes one of our adult children is here. And other than that, we don't have a massive need. It's always hard to get the first piece off. They're 2-ply. I just took one of the 2-plies off. There we go. And they have that select-a-size thing going on. So this is really adequate for me. And every month I get 2 rolls, and that's usually all I need because I use like bar towels to wipe things down. I don't use a whole lot of paper towels. When I had little kids at home, I needed a lot of paper towels. Okay, now, another repeat are my cleaning sponges. I hand wash dishes, so I need a lot of these. This one has coconut fiber on one side, a regular cellulose sponge on the other. This has walnut fiber and a regular cellulose sponge, so it's good for nonstick cookware. Let me get into some of the things that are new. All right, I got last time, and I forgot to give you the review on this, I got one of their bamboo toothbrushes, which is recyclable. The only part that's not were the bristles, but the rest of it was either recyclable or biodegradable. I didn't like it. I didn't like the bamboo toothbrush. So the other one I get, this is a preserved toothbrush. You can get these at Trader Joe's too. And these are made of recycled plastic. And it comes in a brown paper container. I always have an extra toothbrush in the house in case someone comes home to visit or something happens to your toothbrush. I always have one around. All right. I'm wondering if my free gift is in here. I should have a free gift this time. I reordered, I got this about 4 or 5 months ago. The brand is called Peach. And this is a bar of soap. I like how you can hold it because I'm a soap dropper. And this scent, I believe, is raspberry, the pink one. I'll check that and I'll put something beneath my face here to let you know. I really love the smell of this stuff. It is amazing. And it's a really nice body bar. It's very moisturizing. So I usually order that. Best smelling hand sanitizer in the world. Their blood orange hand sanitizer spray. And I'm still using this. I used hand sanitizer before COVID. We went out to a restaurant. I'd say, everybody give me your hands. I'd spray them. So that's not new for me. And what I don't see, and here's my free gift, and I wonder if they went out of stock. I was supposed to get a little bamboo soap dish, and I do not see it in there. They have very good customer service, so if it's not in the box, I will email them and they will send it on my next box. These are facial tissues. All right. They're just also made from the bamboo and sugar cane. They are like regular tissues. They're not super soft, so if you have a bad head cold or Omicron or something like that, you're going to want something like puffs with lotion, but these are perfectly fine for general use. Or if a grandchild comes over, they will pull all of them out and put them on the floor. That's what usually happens. Here, in case Jesus, Mary, or Joseph has a cold in the manger, we'll give them some tissues. My little manger over there? All right. Now, here's my refills, also wrapped in paper. A couple of new things I ordered may be coming in a separate box because they're not in here yet. Okay. I said I wash dishes by hand. I have a glass pump jar for dish soap. This is a refill. It's in an aluminum bottle, so you toss it in the recycle when you're done with a metal lid. This is a seasonal scent. This is Grove brand, and they'll change their scents. They have some basic standard scents and also an unscented, but during like winter seasons or spring seasons, they'll have a special scent. And this one is balsam fir, and it really smells nice. It's not overpoweringly strong, but I really liked doing the dishes with this. This is an adequate dish soap. It's not Dawn. Few things are. If you have something extra greasy, you'll need to use more of this, but it's fine for my use, and I love the smell. Now, I also decided to try another holiday scent. This is spiced berry. I have no idea what it smells like. Oh, it's a very berry smell. I can't decide if I like it or not. I'll let you know next time. It smells like spices and berries, but it's not like a cinnamon smell. This will take some getting used to. We'll see. This is also dish soap. It will get used. I'm not sure about it. There are certain scents like the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice that I could not stand when I first got it, and I ended up really liking it. So we'll see next time if this is a win or a no. But I love having a little adventure and trying something new. I really am missing a few things from this box. That's disappointing. So they're getting an email from me. This is the hand soap, hydrating hand soap. And I do use this all the time. I keep my old Mrs. Meyer's bottles, and then I have one glass soap dispenser in the downstairs bathroom, and upstairs I just have a reused Mrs. Meyer's bottle. And this is also the balsam fir scent that I really, really like. So I have it in hand soap and dish soap. So I'm disappointed my new item is not in here. I'm going to check that box before I stop. And this is the Mrs. Meyer's dryer sheets, and the box is actually coming open, but it's not completely open. I think it got knocked around in shipping. I love these dryer sheets. I can get them at the Target. I can get them at the grocery store. But since I'm already ordering this, I just get them from Grove. I do find Grove's prices tend to be a little bit lower than the Target prices for the same items. I'm talking 20 cents, something like that per item. But since I'm ordering Grove anyway and I have free shipping, why not? So here's my Mrs. Meyer's dryer sheets in lavender. Okay, now something I got last time. I ordered, if you've watched me for a while, you know during Christmas time, I'll splurge on a Cauldrea countertop spray. These are expensive. They're up to like $11 now for one bottle. I do not I can use vinegar and water, ammonia and water, Mrs. Meyer's bottle of spray cleaner, counter cleaner. I don't have to get this. That's awfully expensive for a countertop cleaner. But they have particular scents, Cauldrea brand. They have smells that are incredible. So around Christmas time, I like to order the Gilded Balsam Birch. This is from last year. After Christmas season, I stored this in a cabinet and I brought it out. You see, there's hardly anything left. I actually added a little water to this while I was waiting for my new one. It just smells really nice. I can't describe the scent because it's not a Christmassy fur scent or a food scent. It's almost a perfumey scent. It's very clean. It says balsam and birch, but it doesn't smell like a pine forest. You know, it doesn't smell like an evergreen. It's a really nice smell. So I ordered a new one. Came in my last box, and they changed the label. Look at the two labels there. I really liked this one last year. I thought it looked elegant, but I like this one too. It's still got those little kind of flower design on the, or star design, I guess that is, on the bottom, star flowers. But they've added a picture of the birch and the balsam and something else there on the front. So I think both these bottles are pretty. All right, they're just a little bit different each year. So this one, the watered down one, I can like do some last minute minor cleaning with, and then I'm on to this one. Okay, I'm not sure why I did not get my free gift, and it's quite possible with all the supply chain issues that they're behind or they ran out of stock. There's a couple of things here I ordered that were not apparently in stock, which is very much a disappointment, but I'll live because all my basics came in. And I'll just check my order and email them and say, what happened? Hold on, I'm going to add a review of one more item that I told you I'd review next time. Hang on. I ordered this about 2 boxes ago. This is Dr Bronner's Sal Suds Biodegradable Cleaner. And this is supposed to do everything. You can use it in the laundry, you can use it for your floor, you can use it for, oh my gosh, where's the list of all the things you can use this for? There's so much writing on this label, look at that, and it's all really tiny. Just about any kind of cleaning you can use this for. There's times where you actually run out of laundry soap and you're like desperate, and I said, I want a bottle of something that I can throw in the laundry if I'm out of laundry soap. The only thing I've tried this on so far is laundry. And I was disappointed to find out this is not recommended for HE washers, which I have. So I was only washing a couple of sweaters on Delicate, so I put just a little bit of this in there. It did okay. My reaction was meh. I didn't find it outstanding. It definitely wasn't the best laundry soap, but it's kind of like an emergency backup laundry soap. So I was a little bit disappointed. I haven't used this for the floors yet or any other cleaning thing, so I will let you know. This is just a bottle of something I wanted under my sink if I ran out of something else, since it's an all-purpose cleaner that's supposed to be gentle. But I would like to hear from you guys. If you've used the Sal Suds, what do you use it for and how do you like it? Because I was like, I don't know. It smells really good. It has a very light pine, like a pine sol smell, but really, really light. So the smell is nice, but overall so far I've been underwhelmed by it. I probably won't reorder it. Okay, that's it for now. I have tons of Christmas stuff to do. Thomas is visiting the house and I'm very excited. He's actually on a Zoom job interview right now, so say a prayer for him. And otherwise I'd probably make him come say hello in the camera because it's been a while since he's been home. But I figured while he's out on a Zoom call interview and before I go to work, I would try to do this unboxing for you. Interested in Grove? Click below and have a Merry Christmas. If I don't see you before Christmas, and I don't think I will, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ooh, if you entered my giveaway, go look back in the videos because I did draw the winners. Okay, bye-bye.